TPC wiring cables line of many Quick-Connex Cordsets make the changeout of motors or control devices in your plant an easy process. As we all know, quick changeouts mean increased productivity and reduced downtime. In front of me, I have some examples of TPC's Quick-Connex Cordsets. As you can see, we offer both straight and 90-degree styles, as well as the appropriate mating receptacles to go with them. To look at some of the features and benefits that make TPC's Quick-Connex Cordsets the best in the market, let's focus on this 12-gauge 90-degree cord set. First, all of TPC's Quick-Connex Cordsets come with our UltraGuard portable cord. If you're familiar with this product, you know that it's highly resistant to many of the abuses that you'll face in a plant, such as impact, abrasion, exposure to oils, and flame. Next, depending on the size, the head is either externally or internally fully molded to the cable. This is going to give you an IP69K rating as well as providing additional strain relief to the assembly. Speaking of that IP69K rating, I'm going to assemble the receptacle and the cord set and then pull them apart, and I want you to listen to this. Hear that pop? It's like a cork in a bottle. Again, that's going to give you your IP69K rating. Water, washdowns, exposure to chemicals, not really going to be a concern with your mating assembly. Next, let's take a look at the receptacle. First, on the pigtail. Instead of using an inexpensive PVC jacketing material, we use a high-quality polyethylene jacket that's going to give you more chemical resistance as well as being rated to 125C. We also epoxy backfill the receptacle and add a sealing O-ring and lock nut to help protect the integrity of your motors and equipment. TPC's pins are solid brass. The 14-gauge pins have silver plating, the 16-gauge pins have gold plating, and all are machine crimped to give you excellent reliability and protection against corrosion. We also provide an extra long ground pin, first in and last out for safety. TPC Wire and Cable stocks many Quick-Connex cord sets in 10, 12, 14, and 16-gauge sizes, both straight and 90-degree designs with mating receptacles. If you can't find what you're looking for, we can custom design a mini Quick-Connex cord set specifically for your application. To receive a sample or for more information, please visit tpcwire.com.